Hello guys, I am from Gaugras Math Hub. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from chapter 4 determinant in NCERT 12 mathematics. Question number 11, Roman 1, exercise 4.2 equal to prove that elements of first row a minus b minus c 2a 2a. The elements of second row 2b b minus c minus a 2b. The elements of third row 2c 2c c minus a minus b equal to a plus b plus c का whole cube. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that let that equal to the elements of first row b minus c minus a minus b minus c 2a. The elements of second row 2b b minus c minus a 2b. The elements of third row 2c c minus a minus b. Here you can see in this date LHS equal to a plus b plus c whole के power cube is there. So here you can see in RHS a plus b plus c के whole cube is there. Here I shall use properties in this date so I to get a plus b plus c as a common from any one row or any one column. So here what property I am going to use here? Just consider the things given in the date here. Here you can see first element is there a minus b minus c. If you add 2b to a minus b minus c, the minus b will be added to plus 2b. You will get here easily plus b. And here minus c will be added to plus 2c. You will get here plus c. So here you will get easily a plus b plus c. Here also 2a is added to b minus c minus a. So here you will get 2a minus a, you will get here a. And here plus b you will get minus c will be added to plus 2c, you will get here plus c. So here you will get a plus b plus c you will get easily here also. And here also a plus 2b here plus c. So you will get here plus c. 2a minus a will get here plus a, or 2b minus b will get here plus b. So here I shall use the property. Here I shall write by using the property R1 goes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This property I shall use in this date. So here you can see R1 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the first row. There will be no changes in second row and third row. So here I shall write second row and third row as it is, as given in the this date. So here I shall write second row as it is 2b b minus c minus a, and here write 2b. And third row I am going to write 2c C minus A minus B I shall write. Here it says R1 goes to, this means that changes will occur only in the first row. There will be no changes in second row and third row. That's why second row and third row I have written as it is, as given in the original date here. Now let us see what changes will occur in the first row. So here I shall write R1 goes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. These are the things. For this I shall use rough work here. So here I shall write R1 goes to, if I take the element of R1 as A minus B minus C, so here write A minus B minus C. And if I take the element of R2, for R2, the corresponding element of A minus B minus C in the second row will be 2B. So here I 2B. And for R3, the corresponding element of A minus B minus C in the third row will be plus C, plus 2C. So here I plus 2C. So this goes to, R1 goes to A is there, here write A. Minus B will be added to plus 2B. So here we will get only plus B. Minus C will be added to plus 2C. We will get here only C. So this thing will get, so here I shall write A plus B plus C. I shall write this one. And again, for this element, R1 goes to, this one will be written, R1 goes to, if I take the element of R1 as 2A, so here I 2A plus this plus will be reflected here, plus. And the for R2, I shall refer here second row. The corresponding element of 2A in the second row will be B minus C minus A. So here write B minus C minus A. Plus, here plus is right here plus. And for R3, I shall refer here third row. The corresponding element of 2A in the third row will be 2C. So here I 2C. Just do the operation here. Here you can see 2A minus A will be operated. We will get here A. Plus B, right here plus B. Minus C plus 2C will be operated. You will get here C. So here I have got this one. So this one will be written here. A plus B plus C will be written like this. And again, R1 goes to, if I take the element of R1 as 2A, so here I 2A, plus is there plus, right here plus. For R2, I shall refer here second row. The corresponding element of 2A in the second row will be 2B, right here 2B. Plus is there, right here plus. For R3, I shall refer here third row. The corresponding element of 2A in the third row will be C minus A minus B. So here R1 goes to 2A minus A comes out to here A. 2B minus B comes out to here B. A plus C here, right here plus C. So this thing will get here. Here write A plus B plus C. This thing will be written. This is the rough work. I am going to enclose this rough work in the box and just draw a line here. This thing you have got here. Here you can see new date I have formed here. The elements of first row I have got here A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Then from this date in this date, you can easily take A plus B plus C as a common from the first row. So here I shall write by taking out A plus B plus C as common from R1. You will get date equal to R1 means first row. From the first row, take out common A plus B plus C. So here write A plus B plus C. And I have taken A plus B plus C as a common from the first row. The elements of first row will be 1, 1, 1. And here write 2B, to write 2B. Here write B minus C minus A. Here write 2B. Here write 2C. Here write 2C. C minus A minus B. I shall write like this. This thing you have to read it. Now, here you can refer in this date. The elements of first row you have got 1, 1, 1. The elements of second row you have got 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B. The elements of third row you have got 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. So here, this date is going to be expanded only if in any one row or in any one column maximum number of 0 must come. If I use the property such that here you will get 0 and here you will get 0. The first row will get the maximum 0. So let us see what property I shall do here. Here I shall write by using the property. By using the property C2 goes to C2 minus C1 and C3 goes to C3 minus C1. This property I shall use here. C2 goes to C2 minus C1 and C3 goes to C3 minus C1. C2 goes to C2 minus C1 and C3 goes to C3 minus C1. Here I have written C2 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the second column. Here I have written C3 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the third column. There will be no changes in the first column here. So here I shall write date equal to A plus B plus C and the elements of first column will be written as it is. So here write 1, 2B, 2C. For elements of second row, I shall use this property C2 goes to C2 minus C1. So this is the elements of C2, 1, B minus C minus A, 2C. These are the elements of second row. The second row, from the second row, first row will be subtracted here. From the second row, first row will be subtracted here. So here 1 is there. This 1 minus this 1 will get here 0. And here, this is C2, so here write C2. B minus C minus A, I shall write from C1. From C1. So C1 you will get the corresponding element of B minus C minus A in the first column is 2B. Here write minus 2B. Here write minus 2B. B minus C minus A, B minus C minus A, minus 2b I have written C1. This is C1. 2b C1. C1 is 2b here I have written. And here you get C2. This is C2. The C2 minus C1. This is C1. This is C2. The C2 is 2C here. Right here 2C. Minus this is C1 2C. Right here C1. Again for here I have written C3 goes to. This means that changes will occur in the third column only. So let us see what changes will occur. Here I have written C3 goes to. The elements of C3 will come first minus, and then thereafter the elements of corresponding elements of first column will get here. So here 1 minus 1 comes out to here 0. And here C3, the elements of C3 2b, right here 2b. Minus is there, right here minus. The corresponding element of 2b in the first column is 2b, right here 2b. And if I take the element of C3 as C minus A minus B, minus is there, this minus will be reflected here minus. The corresponding element of C minus A minus B in the first column is 2C. So here I 2C. This thing will get here. Now draw a vertical line here. And draw this line also. And same thing will be reflected here. Here I shall write date equal to A plus B plus C. I shall write here like this. And this date comes out to here date. The elements of here 0, 1, 0, 0 I shall write. The elements of first row I have written 1, 0, 0. The elements of second row will be 2b. Here you can see plus b minus 2b. Plus b minus 2b comes out to here minus b. So here write minus b. Minus c minus a, write like this. And here 2b minus 2b comes out to here 0. The elements of third row I shall write here 2c. So this 2c minus 2c comes out to here 0. And here you will get plus c or minus 2c. You will get here minus c. Minus a minus b you will get. This thing you will get. Now here you can see in this date the first row has the maximum 0, that is 2 0. Here 2 zeros are available. This 0, this 0. That's why the first row has the maximum 0, that is 2. That's why this date is going to be expanded along first row. So here I shall write by expanding date along R1. You will get here date equal to, in bracket I shall write A plus B plus C dot, and here I shall write open here curly bracket. Here plus 1 is fixed. Here this date is going to be expanded along first row. So here first one, that is content here, and for this element write here plus 1. So here write plus 1. Now get the minor of plus 1. The minor of plus 1 will be minus b minus c minus a, 0, 0, minus c minus a minus b. Now what we'll do here? Here the elements of principal diagonal are minus b minus c minus a, minus c minus a minus b. The elements of principal diagonal, this one will be multiplied together. So here write minus B minus C minus A will multiply to minus C minus A minus B. This thing will occur. Here if you write minus 0, the elements of reverse diagonal are 0 and 0. This 0 will multiply to 0, comes out to 0 here. The elements of reverse diagonal are 0, 0. That will be multiplied together, will get here 0, 1. So this thing will get here. Here I shall write det equal to A plus B plus C dot. Here you can see plus 1 you multiply together, you get here 1. And here if you take here minus 1 as a common here, so here write minus 1. Element will be B plus C plus A. You will get this one. And here also, if you take here minus 1 as a common, so here write minus 1 as a common, so you will get here C plus A plus B. This thing you will get. So here write det equal to, here minus 1 will multiply to minus 1, comes out to here plus 1. So here you will get A plus B plus C dot, and here minus 1 का whole square dot B plus C plus A will get, and again C plus A plus B will get. This thing will get. Here you can easily write A plus B plus C का whole cube you can easily, because minus 1 का whole square get here 1 only, and this one A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, you will get this one. So here you can write here equal to RHS. Here I have proved LHS equal to RHS. This is the proper solution and explanation of question number 1, exercise 4.2, chapter 4.